Hi guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Thanks for coming back, checking out another video. If you haven't done so, be sure to subscribe. So in today's video, let's look at beautiful metallics and how to use them in your home decor. So you guys, I have a secret that I have been hiding from you all for a while. I feel open and in a safe space enough to tell you, you guys, I am obsessed with metallics. There it is, you know my secret. I am in my just innermost core a glam girl. I love fur, I love marble, I love all things shiny. I feel like I'm just a big cat at this point. But metallics are one thing that I just swoon over. Now, if you like metallics as well, but you have been really wondering how to implement them into your home decor without it looking like, you know, a crystal ball in there, this video is for you. This video is definitely going to give you some inspiration, some design inspiration, some home decor ideas to successfully implement metallics in your home without it looking tacky or gaudy. So metal is the type of really neutral decorative accent, in my opinion, that can do no wrong. The material is known for being tough enough to last for years and years, and on top of that, it's super easy to keep clean. Plus, metal furniture and decor isn't just practical, it's also super stylish and very nice to look at, no matter where you decide to put it. Now, it's also the type of neutral decorative accent that really runs the gamut in terms of finish possibilities. So you can gravitate towards gold or silver. I see a lot of people placing copper and chrome or even brass, or a combination. You can do more than just one. The effect always adds up to a room that's super polished and sleek and elegant. So utilize this video to incorporate this sophisticated detail into your own home to achieve the look and the finish that you want. Alright, so you may say, okay, Stina, this is great information, but listen, I'm ready to get going now. I'm ready to get started. I'm ready to implement some metallics in my home. Where do I start? I'm so glad you came to me with that question. Let's get started. I'm going to give you a few tips and tricks to really implement metallics into your home and make it a place that you enjoy spending time and a place that you will be proud to host get-togethers or have family over. So let's just get right into it. Tip number one is this. You can, and underline can, you can mix your metallics. So you remember back in the day when they said, oh no, you can only use silver or you can use gold. Really, those were the only metallics they really spoke about, but they were adamant about the fact that you could not mix them. You guys, that rule is debunked nowadays. You mix and match however you want. Now pairing gold and silver, you can pair tarnish and shiny metals. It's not only accepted, but listen, it's embraced in today's time. And this is awesome because it makes it way easier to really experiment with fun and unusual color combos and texture combos and finish combos. Tip number two, if your home is a beautiful expression of a rustic home decor or industrial chic, listen, tarnished copper, gold, and silver are perfect for this home decor style. They pair beautifully against rustic textures like exposed brick or industrial finishes. I mean, this is the perfect finish for it. I feel like I'm saying finish a lot, but it really is. It's the perfect type of metal to really just kick off the look that you're going for. So number 3, add in some mirror finishes. Now, if you're looking to incorporate metallic accents into your home, why not think outside of the box? Now, while mirrors honestly aren't normally thought of as metallics, they do share some similarities when featured in really standout designs. They really offer a refreshing, breathtaking aesthetic. Mirror decor does way more than just bring sophisticated shine to a room or an area. Light reflective properties can deepen, elongate, and widen, creating this illusion of a bigger, airier, and brighter space. Now, if you like the idea of mirrored furniture, it kind of intrigues you, but you're not really totally 100% convinced. Consider metallic furniture with really high shine, high gloss surfaces for the same sophisticated appeal without the intensity of that reflection that mirrored furniture will give you. Tip number 4, gold and silver in unexpected places. Now, when I say gold and silver, I'm basically just shortening the form. I mean all metals here, right? But let's say you have a cute little sitting area with an accent chair and a throw pillow. Maybe instead of the usual like gold and silver accent in the form of a cute little accessory on the table, maybe you can do a gold or silver or copper or bronze work of art behind it. Just something somewhat unexpected. Now, metal and fabric normally don't really go together. You don't think of those two things, but throw pillows and sleek metallic shades of maybe gold or bronze, silver, whatever, that breaks all the rules and still brings you a really gorgeous style. Now, when I say unexpected places, here's really what I meant. Metallics don't have to and really shouldn't be reserved just for decorative accents as far as little knickknacks on a table. You can incorporate them into the furniture itself. And here is a great idea. If you have a sofa that has the visible legs and you're going for some metallics in your room, why not paint those legs? You can easily detach them, spray paint them with a brush. Just a shade of metallic that you also want to have accented throughout the room. It's a surprise. It's this glamorous surprise. It gives you a little shine, and you normally wouldn't think to see the metallic accents down there at the foot of the sofa. It's those little surprises that really tie a room together. Alright friends, so as we near the end of this video, please do me a favor, comment down below. Let me know, A, if you loved any of these rooms and which room it was, or B, if you like this style, if you have a room that you would love to incorporate some metallic accents, or if you already have a room that has some metallic accents, let me know down below, or head on over to facebook.com and let me know there. Alright guys, so I've already asked you to comment your favorite style or your favorite room down below in the comment section. If you want to know mine, is this beautiful room right here. I love the silver elements, I love the gold, I love the pairing of the two, the abstract wall art. Everything about this room is beautiful to me. I would love to have this in my home. Listen, I so appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for watching this video. If you've made it this far, check out these other really awesome videos. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.